Do you want to reply to emails automatically with the help of AI? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build a smart email responder in N8N. What are we waiting for? Let's get started. First, open your N8N workspace. Make sure that you logged in your account. Now look at the left side of the screen and you can see sidebar options. Find the template, then click it. In the center of the page, you will notice a search bar. It might have a default tag in it, but don't worry, you can easily clear it by clicking the small X icon on the right. On the search bar, type Smart Email Responder and press Enter. This will lead you to the related workflows that we can use to automate our email responses. Look for the specific workflow that calls Smart Email Responder using AI. Once it appears, give it a click. A window will pop up displaying the template's information. Read the details provided carefully. Look for the Use for Free button and click it to proceed. You'll now be prompted to decide where you want this template to be placed. In this step, choose the option to import it into your cloud workspace. This will automatically bring you this template into your own N8 account for customization. When it's done, you'll encounter a prompt that suggests setting up the necessary software for the automation. Now it's time for a brief overview of how this smart email responder works. This setup should be significantly lighten your workload and keep your communications running smoothly. And there you have it! You've successfully built a smart email responder with N8N.